Hey y'all, I want to show y'all something. I know everybody has done chicken wings before. We're fixing to do them 3 different ways right here. We're gonna cook some in the air fryer, we're gonna fry some on top of the Blackstone, and we're gonna griddle some. So 3 different ways, watch, it's gonna be good wings. Alright y'all, we're fixing to mix these chicken wings up. But first I want to let you know, I got some oil and we're going to deep fry them right here. I got it going a few minutes ahead. I got my air fryer cooking. I'm fixing to turn these burners on right here. Let me click them on real fast. There they go. We're going to go ahead and cut them low because we got a little time for them. They're going to cook the fastest. So what we're going to do, we're going to take these chicken wings right here. We're going to let them free. Set them free. Dump them in here. Take them around a little bit, break them apart. Look at these, pretty. I like to get in here, clean them up, because I don't like the taste of feathers. All right, y'all. I'm gonna put some of this sesame oil on here, and you don't take a lot of this. And what I like to do, mix my sesame oil in there, mix it up a little bit. Sesame oil is just different, I don't know even how to explain it. It's got a real good taste to it. Yeah, but you don't want to overdo the sesame oil. I like to put some of that on there. Then we're gonna get this. This is the good stuff. This is soy sauce here, y'all. We're gonna dump it on here. We're gonna let these sit just a little while we're making the rest of this stuff up. We're doing 3 styles, so this is what's gonna happen. We're gonna let this marinate in here just a little bit. All right, we're gonna set this over here out the way. Okay, we got this little bowl here. We're gonna cut us some more of these out. All right. Now, who likes the flaps and who likes the drums? They're different, you know. I like them both myself. We're gonna separate these out a little bit. I don't know which one's the best. I just like them both. All right, y'all, we're gonna put some of this Parmesan ranch on here, if I can get it open. There we go. Now watch here. Don't worry about putting too much. You can always put a lot on here. And watch what I'm doing. I'm putting a lot because a lot of it's gonna be lost on the griddle there. Now this is whiskey burger. Now this is real good too. Now I like to blend different seasonings, and it's just like numbers, you know. 1 and 1 makes 3, no 2. But anyway, you can do the same thing with seasonings. Mix it up a little bit, make it taste good. Okay, these are for the air fryer. We probably could go ahead and stick these in there. Got these wings all coated with the seasoning and stuff. Watch this. Pull this out. I like to put a little oil in there, so we're gonna spray oil in here. We got some spray stuff. Spray it down pretty good. I don't want this stuff sticking too much. Now these wings, we're gonna have to kind of knock them in here a little bit. Spread them around, best you can. I'll tell y'all what we're gonna do. We got 2 baskets on here, might as well use them. I'm gonna pull this other basket out. Go ahead and squirt it down a little bit. And why I'm using 2 baskets? Because we got them. Plus, you know, we don't want them piled up on each other. We're gonna spread them out a little bit. Give them a little air, let them breathe. And if they're not touching, actually you get a better crust on them, I think. All right. We'll get one more over here. All right, we're gonna stick both of these back in here, y'all. All right. We got it on kind of low. We're gonna bump it up just a little bit. Next thing we're gonna do is our fish fry. Y'all watch this. We're gonna get over here, cut this chicken, let it be free. Now it's free range. I mean, you can do anything with this fish fry right here. You can fry fish, shrimp, oysters, chicken wings, anything. We're gonna go ahead and dump some in here. It's already seasoned. A lot of time I'll put extra seasoning in it. We got this essential blends here, and it is super good. So we're gonna go ahead and dump some of this on it. Mix it in here good. Now this stuff is real good. Mix them around a little bit. Just keep moving around. I like to move it around good and get it all over there. You want a nice, really even coating. And the thing about it, the more you move this chicken around, this chicken got little creases. The more you flip it, it's gonna get the batter up in these little creases and stuff. Now, we're gonna start dropping these wings in here. I always check your oil. Make sure your oil's hot enough. If it's not hot enough, it's not gonna work. Look at there. We want crunchy wings, not greasy wings. Make sure your oil is hot. Okay, y'all, this is frying. We can walk off from this a minute. Come on over here. What we're gonna get? Oh, he's been in the soy sauce. And we're gonna drop them on the griddle. Watch this. All right, y'all, we're gonna look around in here a little bit. Get these going. I like to fry them up like this. While I'm over here, we're gonna check these. Oh yeah, they're frying up good. Come on over here, we're gonna check our wings, see how they're doing. Oh yeah, they're coming along good. We're gonna let all this go for 2 or 3 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and check on them. All right, we're about 60% ready to eat these things up. So I'm gonna take my leftover soy sauce, a little bit I got right here. We're gonna dump it, and it's gonna steam up. Then we're gonna put this lid on here. We're gonna let it cook just like that. We're gonna get over here and check these out, see how they're doing. Get my tongs. These are coming along real good. We're gonna let them go a little longer. I like mine good and brown and crispy. Let's go over here and look at the ones in the air fryer. Oh yeah, they're coming along good. See, they're starting to get brown. We're gonna go ahead and turn these over. Look at this. Look at there. And we're gonna wait. Just take a break, chill out. Get your cold drink, something to sip on. All right, y'all, come on over here. My deep fry ones are done already. But let's get them out of here. Got a light coating of the fish fry on here. Really makes it good. I like to do small batches so it don't overdo my oil and make my oil get cooled down too fast. Don't do that at home unless you're outside. Your wife will get mad. Okay, y'all, come on over here and look at this, see what we got. We're gonna pull the dome off of here. Oh yeah. These are about ready. Turn them around a little bit. Make them extra crispy. A little crispy over here. We're gonna get some more soy sauce. And just put a little more on there. I'm telling y'all, this is gonna be good. Put the dome back on here. Okay, y'all, we're gonna look in this air fryer and see what's going on over here. Oh yeah, we got it happening. I think we're gonna let these go a few more minutes too. We're gonna pull a switcheroo on them. Put this one on this side and this one on that side. Hey y'all, we're gonna sit down and hurry up and wait. Get over here and pick up this dome, set it to the side. Isn't that just pretty or what? Look at that. All right, y'all, come on here. Let's get these out of this oven over here. These are ready in the air fryer. We're gonna go ahead and take these out. Oh, yes, yes. All on the Blackstone, 3 different ways. I mean, you can be creative with this. You don't have to use the sauces I did or the seasonings. You can get whatever you want. This is what I had, this is what I used. But I guarantee they're gonna be good. Look at that, golden brown. Okay, now we got that finished. We're gonna go ahead and cut the air fryer off. All right, y'all, this is the part I've been waiting on. This is the fun part. These right here were cooked on top of the grill. All right, the soy sauce is coming through. It puts a different salty taste to it. Okay, these are the air fryer ones here. We're gonna jump to these, try these out. Oh, they're nice and crispy. The texture is just great. Everything's good about it. The skin comes off real easy. And that's how I judge my chicken when it's cooked, my chicken wing. A lot of times it's how the skin comes apart. And this is good. Okay, we're gonna go with the fried one. We roll it in fish fry. You can roll it in flour, however you want it. Season it up the way you like it. These fried ones are delicious, good and crunchy. Wings 3 different ways. It don't have to be difficult. It just got to be good. Y'all gotta get y'all some of these.
Tonight you're cooking with the alligator man.